Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a godet skirt pattern. Yes, so we are going to have our measurements ready. So we have started with our waistline. Here we mark our waistline. We go down and then we mark our hip line, and then we also go down and we mark our skirt length. So we are going to demarcate those lines on the pattern paper. So take note that 1 centimeter represents 1 inch on this pattern. So my waist was 32. 32 when you divide it by 4 equals to 8, and 8 plus 1 inch of that dart equals to 9. So we indicated that. So we come in the middle by 4 centimeters and make our darts. Yes, 0.5 on one side and 0.5 on the other side, and down 4 centimeters we make our dart as you see there. I told you in the waistline we add 1 inch, for the dart. So we come on our hip line, and on our hip line we indicate my hip was 44. So 44 divided by 4 equals to 11. I also indicate that. I also come on my length and indicate a measurement. So my length, I just subtracted 1 inch from the hip line. Then I made that line. So we are going to connect those points. As you can see, we connect the dots. The hip line to the skirt length to the waistline. So we are going to bring our curve and curve it a little bit. We don't want our edges so sharp. So we curve in as follows. So we also make that line there to divide the dart. The line should be straight up to the bottom. So you remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. So we are going to make the line where we are going to make where we are going to put our godet. So we have measured 10 centimeters to represent 10 inches. Then this is one of the ways. It depends on how big you want your that piece to be, that godet to be. So if you want it so big, you can use this method. You just get a paper and cut in circular motion. You get your measure, your tape measure, and cut in a circular line. Another method is getting a rectangular block or a pattern paper, then measure 10. 10 is the measurement we've used. So you come and make a triangle. You measure 10 on one side and you go on that side from the starting point and make 10 also. So you get your curve and connect those lines. So as I've told you, the first you just get your curve and cut, or you use this method. So you get you have to measure that both sides are 10. So you get your curve and curve as source. Then we cut out. So those are the two methods. The first method makes the flare so big, and this method makes the flare a little bit small. So it depends on what you want. If you want something extra, you use the other method. If you want something a little flare, you use this method. So we are going to join our skirt. That is how we join. That is how we join our skirt. Yeah, we join that side to the other side like that, and that is how our pattern looks like. Yeah, so, and I've done the same process on the other piece of the bigger piece. So that's how it came out. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, yeah, for more tutorials on this channel.